Enjoying the breeze. Understanding porch weather. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into a cozy expression from the English language, porch weather. This phrase evokes a sense of comfort and the perfect conditions to enjoy the outdoors right at your doorstep. Let's explore what makes weather porch perfect and how to use this phrase in your daily conversations. Porch weather refers to the type of weather that is ideal for sitting and relaxing on your porch, balcony, or any outdoor seating area. It is when the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold, and there's often a gentle breeze that makes it pleasant to be outside. It's the kind of weather that encourages you to take a moment to breathe in the fresh air and maybe enjoy a warm cup of tea or a cool drink. You can use porch weather in casual conversation when talking about the weather conditions. For instance, you might say, "It's perfect porch weather today, isn't it?" to express appreciation for the day's weather. It's a friendly way to make small talk or to suggest an activity like, "Why don't we take advantage of the porch weather and have lunch outside?" In many English-speaking countries, particularly in the United States, the porch is a traditional gathering place for family and friends. It's a space that bridges the inside of the home with the outside world. Talking about porch weather isn't just about the weather. It's about community, relaxation, and enjoying simple pleasures. While porch weather is specific, there are variations like patio weather or deck weather that serve the same purpose. Each term can be interchanged depending on the type of outdoor space you're referring to. The sentiment, however, remains the same. It's all about enjoying the outdoors in comfort. We hope this video has given you a warm introduction to porch weather and how you can use it to enrich your English vocabulary. It's a phrase that invites you to pause, connect with others, and appreciate the little things. Until our next lesson, enjoy the porch weather whenever you can, and keep learning.